Dear students, in this video, you are going to learn 10 short answer questions in less than 10 minutes. Today we cover Unit 3, that is data converters, means digital to analog and analog to digital converters. These are the basic level answers and you are expected to include concepts learnt in our classes. Unit 3, question number 1. Define digital to analog converter DAC and list different types of DACs. A device that converts digital signal into equivalent analog signal is called DAC. Types of DACs: weighted resistor type DAC, then R2R ladder DAC, inverted R2R ladder type DAC. Question number 2. Define analog to digital converters and list different types of ADCs. And what is ADC? A device that converts analog signal into equivalent digital signal is called ADC. Different types of ADCs: flash type ADC, which is also called as parallel comparator type ADC, counter type ADC, successive approximation type ADC, and a dual slope ADC. Question number 3. Write the binary weighted resistor DAC formula, output voltage formula, and compute the output voltage for binary word 101. And the output voltage formula for binary weighted resistor DAC is V0 is equal to VR into D1 by 2 power 1 plus D2 by 2 power 2 plus D3 by 2 power 3 up to and so on Dn by 2 power n. Now the binary word given is 101. That means D1 is 1, D2 is 0, D3 is 1. Now from the above formula we can write analog output voltage V0, which is equal to VR into D1 by 2 power 1, D1 is 1, so 1 by 2 plus D2 is 0, therefore D 0 by something 0 plus D3 is 1 by 2 power 3 and it is equal to 1 by 2 power 3, that is 1 by 8. When we take this LCM and sum, we will get V0 equal to 5 VR by 8. Question number 4. What is the drawback of weighted resistor DAC and how it is eliminated by R2R ladder DAC? Right? Now the answer is wide range of resistor values are required to implement this type of DAC, and not only that, placing large values of resistors on silicon chip is difficult, that is another disadvantage. And then while taking wide range of resistor values, if any mistake is done in choosing the resistor value, it generates huge errors in the output voltage. Then R2R ladder type DAC is there to overcome the drawbacks of this weighted resistor type DAC. Unlike a weighted resistor DAC, which makes use of wide range of resistor values, R2R ladder DAC makes use of only two range of values of resistors. They are either R or 2R. R and 2R, only two values. Question number 5. Define resolution of a data converter. So it is defined as the smallest change in input that causes detectable change in the output. That is resolution equal to full scale range by 2 power n minus 1. So what is n? Number of digital bits. Question number 6. Define monotonicity of a data converter. So what is the answer? It is the measure of accuracy of ADC or DAC where a change in input must produce a change in output. That is called monotonicity, right? So if it is able to produce positive output or increment in output, okay. But if it decreases the output, then that is called non-monotonic. You can see the figures. Question number 7. Define settling time of a data converter, right? So the time taken by the data converter to settle its output within allowable tolerance for a change in input is called settling time. Allowable tolerance is equal to plus or minus half LSB. You know what is LSB, right? Then question number 8. Mention the merits and demerits of flash type ADC. Merits, if we see, speed of conversion is high because of parallel operation of comparators, and to get an n-bit digital output we require only one clock pulse. What are the demerits? Hardware complexity is more, we have done problems. We have expanded for 3-bit and 4-bit, and for every 1-bit increment in size, the required hardware doubles. That is the disadvantage. Question number 9. What is the purpose of SOC and EOC signals in successive approximation type ADC? SOC means start of conversion, EOC means end of conversion. So start of conversion, this signal is used to initiate the analog to digital conversion process. When SOC is activated, the ADC begins sampling the input signal and starts the conversion sequence using its internal successive approximation algorithm. What is EOC, end of conversion? This signal indicates that the conversion process is complete and the digital output data is now valid and ready to be read by the processor. Last question, 10th question, define stability of a data converter. Stability of a data converter refers to its ability to produce a bounded input variations without oscillations drift over operating range. Stability ensures reliable, repeatable and accurate converter performance under real world operating conditions. Hope you followed and you listen again and again and try to score good marks in short answer questions. God bless you.